Hey guys, Hunter here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can start investing as a beginner. Some of the steps you should take that are really going to help you learn and grow your investment account. Today we're going to cover some of the basics of investing. What you need to understand is why you should invest. Well, I started investing when I was around 20 years old. Now what's important about this is the longer you invest, the more your money can work for you. This is super important to understand. So the sooner you start investing, the better. There's an old saying where the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. Same thing goes for investing. It would have been way better if I would have started investing years and years ago, where that money could work for me, earning interest, compounding, and starting to grow like a snowball you push down the hill. Let's use an example that you start investing with $200 a month every month for 10 years, and it's earning 6% annual interest. After that 10-year period, you would have $33,300. Now of that amount, $24,200 would have been money you contributed, and the $9,100 would have been interest earned. That's pretty awesome if you ask me. So if you get nothing else from this video, just remember the earlier is better. And if you haven't started investing now, start today. Now a lot of you might say, wow, that sounds amazing. I wish I had $200 to invest in every month. And a lot of us don't have that, or it's hard to think of how we could take that from our monthly income. So what's important is that we start, and it's okay if you start with $5 a month or $5,000 a month, whatever is going to work for you. Some experts say that you should invest between 10 and 15% of your monthly income. Now that we've decided how much we're able to afford on our investments, we need to open an account. It used to be very difficult to open an account back in the days, and almost every brokerage had huge trading fees, which deterred a lot of people from opening an account, and their platforms are just very confusing and scary. But today there are a lot of brokerages that offer zero trading fees and that are very user friendly. I put a few of them in the description below, such as Robinhood and Webull. Their platforms are amazing. It's important also that you know what you're investing in. We could cover a lot of different investment options, but today we're going to cover just stocks in this video. I recommend that as a beginner, you should invest in things you know, like companies you know personally, whether it be through products they sell or services they do. Another thing is you want to invest in a company that has the same values and vision as you do. If you invest in companies you don't necessarily agree with, you're giving them your money to do things maybe you don't stand for. Now it's super important that you have an investment strategy. If you don't know if you want to hold long-term or short-term, you're not really going to know what to do with stocks and when to sell and buy. Research how you want to invest your money and which strategies work best for your goals. Just one last thing. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I just enjoy investing, and I think a lot more people should do it because you can learn so much from researching companies and you can grow a lot in your personal finance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're able to find some of this information useful. Hopefully it's inspired you to go invest. Now, if you don't mind smashing that like button, leaving a comment below, it would really help me. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you, guys.